In a world where ice giants once roamed, they began to melt away. "Why are we disappearing?" one giant asked. "The warmth of the sun is stronger," replied another. As they shrank, they realized their essence was flowing into rivers, nourishing lands below. "We are not lost," they whispered. "We transform." The lands flourished, understanding the giant's sacrifice. "We must protect the balance," the rivers sang. The giant's legacy lived on, teaching that change is not an end, but a new beginning. "Embrace transformation," echoed the winds, "for it brings life